Welcome back to the show here on Monster Truck Classics as we unbox two USA #1 products from Greenlight Collectibles. Over here on to my left we have the Durlly Drivers Limited Edition 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD, and this was in Series 2 of the Durlly Drivers. Turning the package around, this is the other vehicles that were in Series 2. And now let's take a look at the 1970 Chevrolet K10 USA #1, the Legacy Truck Monster Truck with the Gooseneck trailer and tires. If you saw my other one of Bigfoot, so you might want to check that out. Look, exclusive hobby grade Greenlight Collectibles. So yes, this is not a toy. The packaging is really cool. It really incorporates the USA #1 detail of the truck and everything. Really cool. So let's turn it around on the back of the package real quickly. And we got a nice USA #1 design here on the back. You can go to greenlightcollectibles.com. A nice picture of the Greenlight Collectibles USA #1 on the 66-inch tall tires, and it also includes the height adjustable gooseneck and functional kickstands as well. So let's go ahead and unbox these two. I'm going to start off with the Durlly Driver USA #1 truck. Here we go. The USA #1 Durlly Drivers truck Silverado is out. And look at this. Really nice design of incorporating the USA #1 design of the truck onto the Silverado here on the truck. A nice long bed. Turning it around. This is the back, what it looks like. There's the hitch. And also it has the website of USA #1 coming around. Pretty cool design. It's not like what they used to drive back in the day, but it's a pretty cool looking design. There is the trailer. Has USA #1 VP Racing Fuels again. The website for USA #1, and then here is the latches that fold down right here. There we go, to hold the trailer in place. That's what the trailer looks like. Wooden, and then this feels rough. So here it is. Bring it a little closer, and there's also detail on the tires as well. I think I pointed that out on the Bigfoot version of these travel treads. It was pretty cool. The little tires. Here are the 66-inch tall tires. If you look closely, you'll see a little hole inside that you are able to put these on and then swap back and forth if you want to. There are the two rods to hook up the 4 tires to the axle, and you also get this little stand, and then here are 2 little things that go on the back of the trailer right here. They have some lights. So that goes kind of like this. It was a little bit difficult with even the Bigfoot one because it doesn't exactly go in correctly. Here is the Durlly Driver of USA #1 all hooked up to the trailer with USA #1, the monster truck on the trailer with the 66-inch tall tires, ready to go to the show. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the USA #1 Durlly Driver and the monster truck with the gooseneck trailer and tires.